It's mother versus daughter, battle of the IPSY Glam Bag time. So if you want to see who's got the better bag, stay tuned. Hi and welcome to our channel. My name is Tracy.
I'm Chloe.
Bandit and Kinsey are hanging out with us, so you know anything could go flying at any time. But if you're new, welcome. Thanks so much for checking us out. We hope you decide to stay. And if you're returning, thank you so much for being a part of our YouTube family. So we each get an IPSY Glam Bag. We tend to get a lot of the same stuff, and considering our profiles are vastly different from a young teenager to a more mature adult, I'm a little confused as to why we get some of the same stuff. We have very different skin. All right, I have one item outside of the bag. I don't know why. Could have been in the bag. I'm gonna just put it in there for now. And let's see, there's a card about their limited edition mystery bags for the win. And I have a list of what's in mine.
I don't have anything in mine.
You did, and I checked it.
No.
Because I'm like that, and it didn't have a list of what was in there. Yeah, I got to check now on you.
What?
Yeah, I took a sneak peek to make sure. And this...
You're so mean.
I know. This is the bag. Super cute. And what's your first item?
Well, do you want me to start with the thing that's outside of here?
Sure, it's up to you.
I got a blender.
Oh, look at how cute the face is on there. This is a makeup blending sponge, but look, there's a little cute face, but no, it's just on the packaging, so. And the thing that was outside of mine was this brush. Look at this. Super adorable. So this would be a full-size item. We each got a full-size item. I don't know what her sponge was worth, but this is the SL MISS Glam, SL Miss Glam, I don't know, something like that. And it's a retro eyeshadow blush, and it is $21.50. And it says to contour and highlight small areas of your face, like your nose and Cupid's bow. Okay, what you got next?
A matte primer from Professional.
Okay, so here we go. And that is the Professional matte primer, and I think I got the same thing. Let's see. Yep. I did get the same thing. So this is the Matte Milk Primer, and it says it smooths away the appearances of pores, locking in makeup and absorbing excess oil. And these are, of course, deluxe samples. They don't look deluxe, though. They just look like little samples.
They just say it because it sounds better.
It does, yes. All right, they are pretty full. And I do love a Benefit Cosmetics product. This is 3 milliliters or 0.1 ounce. All right, what you got next?
Hyaluronic acid serum or hydro serum. Yeah.
Oh, Karamoon, I like that company. All right, so this is the Flower Melon Super Hydro Serum with hyaluronic acid and melon extract. And I have used some other things from this company, and I really, really like it. And it's a medium-priced product, too. I have by Ciate London the Brazilian Glow Bronzing Powder. Let's take a look. All right, there is how that looks. There is the little container. Please don't do that. That's disgusting. And this is 2.5 grams or 0.08 ounces. So we know that that is a sample, but that's a great size, I would have to say. And the full size is $25.
all it says. I got red wine.
This is by Tony Moly, and it is a pore tightening face mask. So that's a really nice product.
Yeah.
By Stone Street Soap House, I have the Hey Ho Wholesome Body Souffle. This is 1 ounce or 30 milliliters. Does it say? It says hints of chamomile, lavender, and celery seed extract create a straw-like scent, transporting you to the perfect summer day among wheat fields and hay.
Nice. Kinsey.
And as I said, Kinsey just knocked that over.
Alright, for my last item, I got eyeshadow palette. Just right away, open it. You said right?
I got the same one.
Yeah, so we'll give one away.
Yep, this is the Beauty Vault Regal Eyeshadow Palette. It's a 6-shade palette, and it has jewel-inspired shades like a rich matte burgundy and shimmery copper. And it is full size with an MSRP of $23.
Kind of like autumn palette.
All right, there's some nice colors in there.
Nope. No, why are you messing with the blanket, dog?
All right, so who had the better bag? Now, we both had the palette and the primer. We had different. I had this hand and body cream. I had this bronzer and this brush. And Chloe, what did you have?
I have the palette, the face mask, the core stuff, the blender, and the hyaluronic acid.
All right, so who had the better bag? I don't know, this is a hard one. This is a hard one because I think we both got some pretty cool stuff.
Yeah.
But you guys let us know which one was your favorite bag. And please consider hitting that like, subscribe, and notification bell. It's totally free, but would mean the world to us. And hopefully, we'll see you soon.